and konnichiwa. I'm Tomoko, your Japanese food ambassador. Today, I want to share with you one of the most versatile Japanese vegetable. These are called Mizuna. They originated in Kyoto, so it's also known as kyona, or in English, Japanese mustard green. Mizuna looks like a plain vegetable, but it's actually packed with nutrients like vitamin C, folic acid, and fiber, which are great for anti-aging and supporting your immune system. In Southern California, you can often find Mizuna at your local farmers market. They are also sold at Japanese grocery stores. What's the best way to cook Mizuna? You can stir fry with garlic or put in a soup. If you want the most nutritional benefit, try eating it raw. Today, I'll share a healthy and delicious dish I've been eating a lot during pandemic. Mizuna salad with canned mackerel. First, let's make Ponzu dressing. This dressing works for a lot of different salads, so make as much as you want and then keep it in the fridge. It should last a week or so. All you need to do is mix ponzu, rice vinegar, and then sesame oil in a mason jar, and then shake well. That's it. Now for the salad. First, slice the onion thin and then soak in water for 20 minutes to remove the spiciness. Then cut Mizuna into pieces that are about 2 to 3 inches long. Both leaves and stems are edible, so don't worry about using the whole thing. Mix Mizuna and an onion together and then put on a plate. Open a can of mackerel and then drain the water. Put on top of salad, then add a Ponzu dressing and finish it off with sprinkle of sesame seeds on top. That's it, an easy and healthy salad in less than 5 minutes. If you are interested in other Japanese salad, please watch some of the short videos that I've posted on my channel. If there's any mysterious Japanese vegetable you'd like to learn more about, please let me know by writing a comment below. Thanks and arigato for watching. See you next time. ではまた。